Towns. Then there's Bradley Beal, and it's Ingram in at the 3. And for Atlanta, Marcus Morris out there with Karl Anthony Towns. Then it's Kyle Lowry, then it's Michael Porter, and it's Bogdanovich in at the 2. Russell finds Ingram, and Grant, both of these teams very efficient, striping it from distance.
Well, it's the name of the game nowadays. The math is unavoidable. If you can't space the floor, you get left behind.
He takes it in, and the dunk to finish it off. Oh, beauty.
A little undersized at the 4, but he can get off the ground.
Pass to Ingram, three-pointer. He's in his comfort zone, 2 for 2 to start this one.
Playing to Ingram's strengths. He's most effective when he gets his points within the flow of the offense.
Lowry, the pass to Bogdanovich. Shoots over Beal. Bogdanovich, no good.
You expect him to make that, especially from that distance.
Ingram into the lane. And for Atlanta, they're shooting at 45% of the game so far. Peyton Pritchard is out there with Jordan Poole. Then it's Robert Covington. Then it's Karl Anthony Towns. And it's Bogdanovich in at the 3. Here's Pritchard. 15 in his last outing. Clock at 4. From deep. An absolute bomb from three-point range.
Oh, some staggering display of range here. I mean, that took some serious confidence.
And for Toronto, Brandon Ingram out there with Lauri Markkanen. Then it's Fred VanVleet. Then there's Raul Neto. And it's Holmes in at the 5, roaming the paint.
He's given a great lift to this offense tonight. Very, very efficient.
And for Atlanta, they've got Karl Anthony Towns. Bogdanovich is out there with Robert Covington. Then it's Jordan Poole. And it's Pritchard in at the 1. Pass to Bogdanovich. He drops it for range. Bogdanovich is got 6.
Talented, driven. He puts constant pressure on your defense.
You know, by the time Bogdanovich arrived in the NBA, he was already a well-seasoned pro, Grant.
Yeah, he had an impressive run in a number of European leagues. Amassed a ton of awards and championships, so he definitely knew what he was getting into when he came stateside to play with the rest of the best.
For 3. The rebound by Markkanen.
He didn't make them pay for that weak defense, but they just can't rely on him to miss those kind of shots.
Oh, got that one up quick. And Toronto leads by 4. For Atlanta, they've got 2 of 3 shots to go in the second. Poole, the pass to Bogdanovich. Knocks it loose. Here's Neto, averaging around 6 a game. To the middle. Here's Holmes. And the shot goes in. Now it's a 6-point Toronto lead. And a closer look here at the hustle stats for Toronto.
Their aggressiveness on D has been the most glaring aspect of this game so far. They have the heat turned all the way up in this first half.
You know what else, guys? Defensively, they've been able to cause some turnovers tonight and turn them into points.
I mean, all period, it's been a struggle for him scoring the ball.
Here's Poole. Oh, and he blocks it off the glass. Wow.
Markkanen with a nice block shot. His size has been a factor in this game.
Pass to Neto. Here's Holmes. Here's Pritchard. And the layup fall. And for Toronto, they're shooting the rock well at 46%. Second half underway. Here's who Nick Nurse has got on the floor. Kelly Olynyk is out there with Brandon Ingram. And then there's Ivica Zubac. Then it's D'Angelo Russell. And it's Beal in the 2 guard. Here's the break.
Steele trying to shoot his way out of this funk. But if it doesn't come within the flow of the offense, the whole team suffers.
Russell against Covington. Russell up top. 6 on the shot clock. Over Covington. And too long on the shot. Russell's gone 1 of 5 from the field. Here's Lowry. And he drops in the layup. Lowry's got 6.
You can really see their confidence growing as this game has gone on.
37 seconds left to play in the fourth quarter.
Tearing it up on both ends of the floor, so impressive. And the other squad has looked hopeless to stop it.
All right, let's get a report from Allie.
Over the break, I listened to he told his coach not to worry about the score.
Against Porter. Right side Ingram. Pass to Van Vliet. The three.
Fearless at the finish.
Look at his shot. Just enough time to do that.
And here's Lowry from the arc. And so it's a victory for the road team in this one. And this was an emotional win for them, no doubt about it.
Just a fantastic accomplishment. You love how they just diffuse the energy in this arena.
And now we have Allie LaForce standing with the player of the game. Allie, take it away.
Brandon, hot shooting for you tonight. Where do you get that confidence level to take over like this?
Coming in, working on my routine every single day. I think my teammates put me in a really, really good position to step in the shots and give me confidence on the basketball floor to shoot the ball and also give them the basketball to do whatever they want on the floor to create and make something happen. So confidence comes from my teammates.
And you've been a great teammate as well. Guys, back to you.
Allie, thank you as always. And that'll do it, folks. For Grant Hill, Allie LaForce, and Steve Smith, I'm Brian Anderson. Thanks for joining us tonight. We'll see you next time.